Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore different types of assignments in online courses and how they can improve student learning. In online courses, student tasks generate valuable metrics to enhance course effectiveness. These include engaging with study materials, taking quizzes, writing essays, completing practical exercises, and attending tutoring sessions. Metrics also come from moderated discussions, teamwork, peer reviews, debates, collaborative resource creation, and feedback collected through surveys and polls. Here are some specific guidelines for selecting the most suitable task to obtain quantitative information about the learning process. The choice of task type requires prior analysis work in which the learning objectives, the tools available in the e-learning platform being used, as well as the subsequent treatment of the data must be clear. These tips can be useful to guide the instructor in task selection. Define clear measures. Identify and quantify what you want to measure, such as time spent or quiz scores. Use standardized instruments. Implement validated questionnaires for reliable data. Select scalable tasks. Choose tasks that are easy to replicate and manage. Incorporate technology. Use LMS tools for automatic data collection. Consider frequency. Decide how often to collect data, like daily or weekly. Ensure data validity and reliability. Test tasks to ensure accurate data. Integrate data analysis. Plan how to analyze and interpret the data to gain meaningful insights. Metrics for assignments. Let's look at some metrics you can obtain from various assignments. Readings and study materials. Evaluate student engagement with reading materials by tracking access frequency, reading duration, content understanding, participation in discussions, application of concepts, or self-assessment. Quizzes and exams. Analyze total and per question scores, percentage of correct answers, time spent, response distribution, common errors, or reliability coefficient to assess student performance and the assessment's effectiveness. Written assignments. Base your evaluation on content quality, organization, clarity, critical thinking, originality, use of references, grammar, or formatting. Assess practical exercises based on completion rate, accuracy, problem-solving skills, technical proficiency, data analysis, experimental design, documentation, or collaboration. Evaluate tutoring or counseling sessions by assessing attendance rate, participation, interaction quality, progress, problem-solving skills, goal setting, or resource utilization. Moderated discussion forums. Participation frequency and depth, contribution quality, critical thinking, collaborative interaction, facilitation effectiveness, peer feedback, and assessment. Evaluate teamwork on projects by assessing participation, meeting deadlines, work quality, equitable contribution, collaboration, achievement of project objectives, self-assessment, and peer evaluation. Assess peer review of work based on feedback amount, quality, identification of strengths and areas for improvement, application of criteria, feedback tone, and participation in the review process. Evaluate online debates by assessing participation amount, contribution quality, originality, argumentation, respect, and collaborative dialogue. Assess collaborative resource creation, wiki, based on contribution amount and diversity, content quality, collaboration, use of sources, interaction with content, and feedback. Evaluate surveys and polls by assessing participation rate, response accuracy, process reliability, satisfaction, and results analysis. Example application. Let's apply this to a real example. Imagine you're teaching a course on solving second-degree equations. Your objective is to help students learn to solve these equations. You could use the following tasks. Practical exercises. Students solve exercises, some with provided solutions and some without, validated by peers. Reading materials. Assign a chapter on second-degree equations. For practical exercises, you could measure accuracy in solutions, application of concepts, methodology and procedure, efficiency and effectiveness, self-assessment and peer correction, instructor feedback. Tasks related to creativity, problem identification, and teamwork might not be applicable in this case. By selecting the right types of assignments, you can greatly enhance the effectiveness of your online courses. Thank you for joining me today.